Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new then welcome. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this look. It's more of a glowy, like sparkly glowy look with a tinge of purple in it. So if you guys want to know how to get this look, please keep on watching. And just before we get into it, please do like, subscribe and share. Thank you.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways.